Britain will be hit by more than a foot of snow by the end of the weekend as the country feels as cold as 7°C, 19°F. Scotland faces up to 8 inches of snow and eastern England will get 10 inches between tomorrow and Saturday, before a further 8 inches falls over southeast England on Sunday, according to the Met Office. Colder air is sweeping in from Siberia and Scandinavia with the worst of the weather expected on Sunday, while vast swathes of England are also on flood watch after the Environment Agency imposed 12 warnings and 70 alerts. The snow will follow heavy rain falling across parts of Britain today, with the worst of it in Northern Ireland, where a weather warning has been issued for up to 2 inches over the Mourne and Sperrin mountains. Temperatures are plunging towards the weekend, when it could feel as cold as 7°C, 19°F, by Sunday, just days after the mercury rose to 14°C. C, 58°F, yesterday in Kent, and should get to 13°C, 55°F, today and 12°C, 54°F, tomorrow. Laura Patterson, Chief Operational Meteorologist at the Met Office, said, "A cold easterly airflow is expected to return during the weekend, likely lasting until Monday. At present, it looks unlikely to be as severe as the conditions experienced at the start of the month, but unusually low temperatures and some snowfall are still expected." Widespread frost, low daytime temperatures and a significant wind chill are likely to develop. Snowfall looks likely across high ground in the northeast, Friday into Saturday, with snow showers following behind and affecting low-lying areas, especially in the south and east. The further freezing weather this weekend will come less than a fortnight after the beast from the east brought as much as 19 inches of snow and cut off some villages for a week due to 20 feet deep drifts. Thousands of schools were closed, motorists were stranded overnight in their cars, British Airways cancelled hundreds of short-haul flights from Heathrow, and London City Airport also scrapped many of its services. Dr. Thomas Waite, a consultant in health protection at Public Health England, said, "The weather has felt much milder for the last week or so, but this weekend the forecasters tell us it will get much colder again." And that may come as a shock to the system for some whose bodies may struggle to cope in cold weather. It's worth remembering that cold temperatures, indoors and outdoors, can affect health, particularly in young children, older people and those with heart and lung conditions. So if you know someone in any of these groups, and most of us do, please keep an eye on them over the coming days. Make sure they're heating their homes to at least 18 degrees, and keeping an eye on the weather forecast. The Met Office snow warning for Scotland, which runs from 3 a.m. tomorrow until 9 a.m. Saturday, says, rain will increasingly turn to hill snow above around 400 meters on Thursday night and Friday morning, then gradually down to around 150 meters by Friday evening. 5–10 centimeters of snow may accumulate on high ground above 200 meters, with 20 centimeters possible over hill routes, with some drifting in strong southeasterly winds. Snow may fall even to low levels later Friday evening into the early hours of Saturday, with 1–2 centimeters possible in places here. The first snow warning for eastern England runs from 3 p.m. tomorrow until 11:55 p.m. and says, rain will increasingly turn to hail snow above around 200 meters during late Friday afternoon and evening. By the end of Friday evening, 2–5 centimeters of snow may accumulate on high ground above 200 meters. Some snow is likely, even to low levels by late Friday evening, with a very patchy 1–2 centimeters possible in places. There is some uncertainty in how quickly rain will turn to snow across the south of this area, with a small chance that these parts may only see rain starting to turn to snow during the early hours of Saturday. The second snow warning for eastern England runs for the whole of Saturday and says, a band of snow will move slowly south through Saturday morning, with accumulations of 1–3 centimeters quite widely. Over high ground above 200 meters though, 5–10 centimeters is likely, with locally 20 centimeters over the highest routes. Strong easterly winds will lead to some deep drifts of snow. Snow accumulations will be more variable during the day. Some melting of lying snow is expected, but locally 1–3 centimeters is possible, where showers are more frequent. Showers are likely to become more frequent across the southeast into the evening, with narrow bands of up to 5 centimeters of snow accumulating. And the snow warning for southeast England on Sunday says, not all places will see snow showers, but where they do form locally 1–3 centimeters of snow is possible in places. Furthermore, showers may become organized into bands at times, resulting in locally around 5 centimeters accumulating, with this most likely near the Thames estuary and the Wash. Some melting of lying snow is expected during the middle of the day. Should the small chance of a more organized band of snow affecting the southern and southeastern regions come into fruition, a more widespread 2–5 centimeters could be possible here, with some low-level areas seeing 10 centimeters. High ground could see locally 10–20 cm. Some isolated ice patches may form where runoff from saturated fields freezes overnight.